The goal in this primary care office is to bring together all of the diverse fields and services that are needed to take the best care of the patient.
The services offered in these new facilities will be comprehensive, so that patients can more or less have one-stop shopping. So many of the services now that people travel to the hospital for will actually be available in these facilities.
We provide on-site lab and diagnostic x-ray to make your visit go faster, more convenient.
Really important to have x-ray here because sometimes you might see a patient and you may want to know right away if there's something wrong. So rather than send them off-site, have to drive somewhere else, they can just stay here, get their x-ray, I can look at it, give them an answer on site.
We often rely on laboratory results to detect diseases or to help to prevent problems. And the beauty of having laboratory services here is that we can make it convenient for the patient to get the labs right away. And that gets us the answers very quickly.
We also have the ability to bring in consultants on a visiting basis to have perhaps gastroenterology, cardiology, and mental health come to you and not you go to them.
Because when we want someone to go to a specialist, it often can take weeks, sometimes months to get in there. This way, it makes it very convenient for the patient to go and get the appointment right then and there and get the treatment they need.
I'm thankful that Griffin is putting our psychiatric services in the primary care offices because I'm getting to patients sooner than I may have otherwise. And I'm also getting to see patients who may never have come to our psychiatric office. When we put together all of our resources, we very often get very good results, and people end up feeling better and being better and having better lives because of it.
What Griffin has done here is pretty remarkable. You walk into this office and it's just gorgeous. It really does not look at all like a doctor's office. It's like a spa or a hotel. We have a great fireplace, there's stone, there are high ceilings. It's a place that you'd want to go to get your care. It really goes with Griffin Hospital's Plane Tree philosophy of patient-centered care, and you feel it as soon as you walk in the doors.
We're shifting our focus from exclusively being a sick care provider to a provider that tries to keep individuals healthy. That calls for a different kind of interaction between the patient and provider. So that new design will actually have the traditional exam table, but also will have a conference space built into every exam room.
We can have a dialogue about what we can do for prevention, what we can do to treat anything that we find. We can also have other specialists come in and we can all sit around the table and talk to each other because relationships are the most important part of healthcare.
Our new exam rooms have tables that are adjustable so they can go down to the ground. If somebody has an injury, can't get up on the table, we can help them with that. They also have built-in scale, so we don't have to worry about trying to help somebody onto a scale. It's right on the exam table, so it makes it easier.
The best way to provide medical care is to make it as convenient as possible. And in an office like this, where all these services are present, it makes it very convenient for the patient, and it's a benefit to doctors, patients, and the community in general.
It's right off of Route 8, exit 12. Can't miss it, right up on a hill.
All a patient has to do is just walk through this place and they will realize that this is like no doctor's office they've ever been to. It provides a great one-stop shopping environment, and it provides us the ability to give better care to the patients.
Griffin Health, empowering people, advancing care.